वेलकम टू प्रिंस शॉर्ट एंड हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स, लीगल डिक्टेशन आपको रियल जजमेंट पे हम दे रहे हैं। 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट आपको हेल्प करेगी आने वाले पंजाब एंड हरियाणा चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट के लिए, जो स्किल टेस्ट आपका अभी डेट डिक्लेयर होने वाली है। दूसरा, किसी भी अदर लीगल डिक्टेशन जहाँ पर आपकी आएगी आपको हेल्प करेगी। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। रेडी, स्टार्ट। बदर दुरेज अहमद जे 27th February 2004 कैन ए प्रॉपर्टी डीलर, property broker or real estate agent be construed as a construed question mark. This is the seminal question in this petition, full stop. It arises in the context of the alleged misuser of residential flats allotted to members of the petitioner association by the respondent bracket Delhi Development Authority DDA for short. Point 2. The residential under the Societies Registration Act 1860 are admittedly governed by the policy of the DDA incorporated in the document entitled Guidebook on Housing Department published the DDA. The said guidebook stipulates as under at the rate of Z para penal action for misuse of flats. A flat is to be used for residential purpose only, full stop. In case that flat is used purposes other than residential, apart from action under the terms of allotment, prosecutions under the Delhi Development Act 1957 shall be launched, full stop. Professional activity by the professionals such as doctors, architects, engineers, lawyers, chartered accountants, advocates, consultants, journalists, artists, designer oblique consultants is permissible to the extent of 25% of the covered area or 50 square meters, full stop. Whichever is less, provided the flat is in occupation of the professional, full stop. It is also an admitted position that some of the members of the petitioner association are using part of their said residential flats for their offices, full stop. Because they have done so, they have been issued show cause notices from the DDA proposing to cancel their allotments, full stop. One such notice, which is annexed as Annexer C to the petition, has been issued on the premise that the allotee has put the residential flat to non-residential use of commercial activities, full stop. Point third, the learned counsel for the petitioner contended that its members are consultants and therefore it is permissible for them to use 25% of the covered area or 50 square meters, full stop, whichever is less of their residential flats for office purposes, full stop. Accordingly, he prayed that the show cause notices be quashed, full stop. The learned counsel for the DDA, on the other hand, argued that members of the petitioner association were property dealers, property brokers or real estate agents, full stop. They cannot be construed to fall within the admit of the expression professionals or consultants, full stop. Point 4, in support of the contention that property dealers are consultants, it was submitted that their job profile was such that they were clearly covered by the description consultants, full stop. It was also submitted that the Haryana Urban Development Authority introduced analogues provisions with regard to permissive user in residential flats, and by virtue of those provisions, property consultants have inter alia been included in the 2 of the Finance Act number 2, 1998. The Finance Act 1994 was amended and in were not under the service tax net, full stop. However, consequent upon the amendment brought 65 bracket 36 were inserted in the Finance Act 1994, full stop. These provisions read as under. Real estate agent means a person who is engaged in rendering any service in relation to sale, purchase, leasing or renting or real estate, or includes a real estate consultant. Real estate consultant means person who rendered in any manner, either directly or indirectly, advice, consultancy or technical assistance in relation to evaluation. Stop. Thank you, students.